Alright, here we go again. Sunday, project time. This project should be fast and easy. Working on this thing again. Let me check out the box that I got. I got this box several weeks ago. I just never had a chance to get to it. And this is from GKTech. All the way in Australia. These guys do ship all the way to Hawaii and probably across the world. Grab my knife, open this up. There should be a bunch of things in here, some really small, I have no idea. I'm gonna try to get to the radiator fan, no, the radiator cooling shroud or something. I do have their GKTech fan in here that flows 20 or 30% more air. I think I do also have some ball joints. I'm gonna swap out all the ball joints on that car and get everything working good. So let me open this up real quick and see what I got. Forgot I had ordered all these things. So here are the ball joints. This is for the Nismo short shifter that I picked up a long time ago. I still need to find it. I think I know where the box is. Along with their GKTech return springs. These should make the shifter feel a lot more firm. In fact, I think I should find my short shifter. It's an actual Nismo short shifter from a company in Japan. I got it a long time ago. But today is the fan shroud. Not fan shroud. Today is the radiator shroud thing. This thing. Pretty nice design. It's made out of, I'd say, maybe about an eighth inch thick aluminum. This thing is solid. In fact, what I may do is make a mold out of this, and I'll make one out of carbon fiber. Just might do that. But anyway, here it is. Let me see how it goes on. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll lay it on the car and you can see what it's going to look like. So you can see it's notched out all over the place perfectly for the stock brackets or whatever. So it's just two screws in the middle, and that should be it. So let me just unscrew those really quick and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, because it's aluminum, it is malleable, so you can bend it. I do need to bend it because there are some gaps. It needs to be conformed to the car, but there's about a ½ inch gap on each side. The middle is touching perfect, but here's what it looks like on the right and left. Alright, so let me take it off, do a little bending, and see what it looks like in a minute. Well, that was too easy. Because it's only about an 1/8 or a 16th inch thick aluminum, it bends pretty easy. I just had to bend the ends of it down just a little. Okay, that is it. Everything is in. 2 bolts is all you need to take off and put back on. It may need a little bending here and there to fit, but super easy, really easy. That's pretty much it for this project. The only thing I did realize was, darn, I have the GTR front end coming in, which means this may not fit. But thanks to Keola, I do have a big sheet of aluminum from one of those signs that they no longer use at work. So I'm gonna have to trace out my own pattern and do my own bending and make my own cooling panel. Oh well, such is life, right? There's always something that goes wrong. Anyway, that's it for today's project. I need to get started on a whole bunch of other things. Thanks again for this 5-minute project. I have another 5-minute project coming on. As usual, I'll see you guys again on my next project.